Hi, this is Rony Mullick, and you are watching the post market show. So, a breakout in Nifty after many days, and after I think the first trading day of June. This is the second time the markets did break out, and it is good to see. So, let us look into the charts and see what has happened. So, we were expecting 18,660 to act as a resistance, and why is that so? Because last Monday, if you remember, markets opened with a gap up, and that level was not broken on Monday and even on Tuesday as well. And this time also, this Monday markets opened with a gap up, could not break that level. But today, finally, it opened with a minor gap up. We were expecting some kind of flat opening, but the markets opened around 10-15 points higher. And then it was consolidating in that range of 18,660. And finally, we see a good momentum in the market. If you look at the charts around 12:30, and after that, there was a first time market started to break out. There was some kind of resistance, came down, took support above 18,660. Then after 2 p.m., a huge breakout came in Nifty, and markets moved up significantly. Nifty closing above 18,700. 18,726 to be precise, up by 0.68%. So this was Nifty. Back Nifty apparently did not have a great day. So Back Nifty opened slightly gap up. Same with Nifty, but Back Nifty continued to fall down, and it took support where? It took support at the level we had discussed, 44,151. And from there, markets consolidated, and as Nifty broke out as well towards the end after 2 p.m., Back Nifty also moved up, but it was not able to break the day's high. So we see a kind of a W pattern forming in Back Nifty on the 15-minute time frame. And coming to mid caps and small caps, they look pretty strong, and they were looking pretty strong if you remember. Mid caps up by 1%, 1.04% to be precise, and Nifty small cap up by 1.12%. So a significant rally in mid cap and small cap yet again. So the way mid caps and small caps are moving up, it is really something interesting to see, because you can see it is straight up from the March lows, and it continues to go up and up. Coming to sectors, after many days we see all sectors ending in the green, so that is good to see. It is green all around. So talking about some key sectors which moved up significantly, Nifty FMCG once again up by 1.12%, followed by we can see Nifty Energy up by 1.08% thanks to Reliance Industries. Nifty Metals up today by 1.51%. Nifty Realty once again up by 1.5%. Realty stocks, they are doing pretty well. You can see, I think from the May lows, they're continuously moving up. So that is a sector you can watch out for. Nifty Auto again outperformed, up by 0.6% yet again. And coming to financial front, the financial services on FinNifty moved up by 0.3%, and same with Nifty PSU Bank up by 0.7%, and Private Bank also up by 0.12%. Nothing significant, but it is a small gap up today is what we are seeing. So now coming to other things, let us look at the stocks that moved up significantly today. So let us open up Nifty index movers. We see Reliance top contributor to Nifty on the positive side, and then we have L&T, TCS, HDFC Bank, Bharti Airtel, and Infosys. So we see IT stocks, private banks, and Reliance. So all heavyweights are contributing on the upside, but some stocks which did not do that well today is ICICI Bank down by 0.02%, Kotak Bank down, and Bajaj Finance also down. So these were the movers. So you can see most of the stocks ending in the green, thereby Nifty moving up significantly. FII, DIIs have both become net buyers. So we were just concerned that whether FIIs and DIIs, because we were seeing for the 3 days FIIs have been net sellers, and yesterday they bought on some quantities, but today it is good to see both FIIs and DIIs becoming net buyers. FII buying for a massive 1,382 crores, and DII is also buying for 392 crores. So on net institutional figures are in the positive. Economic calendar, there's nothing much to discuss today, and there was only, I think, one thing, that was the German industrial production that came out, and it came out lower than expected. 0.6% was the expectation. It came out 0.3%, but still it is better than the previous month where it came out negative. So in that front it is fine, but it has not been as per the expectation. Now tomorrow we have the RBI interest rate decision at 10 a.m. in the morning, and do watch out for that. And probably, as these things are, it would be a non-event because 6.5% interest is already there, and it is very, very unlikely that RBI is going to raise it any further. So even the expectation is 6.5%. So it would be a non-event in the sense there will be no change done to the interest rate. But in case that happens, we can see some kind of big movements in the market. But 95% chances are that things will remain as it was. So that is the situation right now in case of RBI interest rate decision tomorrow. So keep an eye out for that. Apart from that, we do have some GDP data coming out from Japan, and then we also have Euro area GDP growth rate, unemployment rate. These are coming out. Again, not that important as the US markets, but these are the data. Those are coming out tomorrow. We can discuss those and on tomorrow's show. So this is the situation. Let us quickly look into the US markets and see where it is headed. US markets are open, but it seems that they are kind of negative. Very interesting. So again, not that significant. They are down by 0.17%. S&P 500, Dow Jones is slightly up. They are up by 0.12%, and Nasdaq, which is primarily the IT stocks, they are down by 0.8586% right now. So Nasdaq seems to be facing some kind of profit booking, and Dow Jones and S&P 500 seems to be flat as of now. So this is the situation. Talking about global markets, German markets did fall after we saw the production, the industrial production not meeting the expectation. So it was natural the markets would fall. And apart from that, UK markets fell slightly. It is down by 0.29%. French markets almost flat. Hong Kong markets up by 0.8%. Japanese market is down by 1.8% after many days. So Japanese market have been on a uptrend. You can see for many days from March, I think, March 2023 it was up, and today we see, I think, one of the biggest candles in Nikkei. So that has to be watched out. If Nikkei is falling, we can expect some kind of more bearishness coming into the Asian markets. And Chinese market is also down by 1%. Korean market seems to be flat. Coming to VIX, US VIX has increased by 1.4%. India VIX today increased by 0.55%. Even though the market moved up, India VIX is now at 11.44. Still, it is on a very low VIX environment is what we are seeing. Crude oil prices are, we talked about the resistance coming out around 74.5 levels, and that markets did fall, and it is now stabilizing around 72.4. Nothing happening over there on that front. Dollar index is again flat at 103.9, 104 levels. So nothing major happening on that front as well. Overall, tomorrow's market, it's an expiry day. So what to expect tomorrow? Since NIFTY moved up significantly today, we see a good amount of put build-up happening right across 18,700, adding the huge amount of put build-up, followed by 600, 500, 400. All these levels added a lot of open interest. So as of now, it is looking like NIFTY will not be breaking 18,600 on the downside. That has the highest amount of put build up. Then immediately we have 18,700 as well. So these levels people are betting that NIFTY will not be breaking. And on the upside, 18,800 should be acting as a resistance. This is what OI is telling us. Put call ratio is way above 1. It is at 1.33, indicating bullishness in NIFTY. But in Bank Nifty, things are slightly negative, we can say. Not much, but since put call ratio is at 0.9 and it is less than 1, so slight bearishness. But Bank Nifty can break out as well, because yesterday we saw Nifty breaking out. Today we saw Nifty breaking out with a lot of strength. So let's see. Everyone is eyeing Bank Nifty for a clear breakout. So that has to be seen if that fails or it actually goes through, because what most people are expecting, that does not happen in the markets usually. So Bank Nifty. Today, a lot of put and call have been added at 44,300, and that is where a straddle is being built up. So it has a combined premium of 110 and 133. So 243 points is the range. So that gives us roughly about you can say 44,550 on the upside, and on the downside we can say 44,000 on the downside. So this is the range people are expecting in Bank Nifty for tomorrow's expiry, and things look kind of neutral to slight bearishness, but let's see what happens tomorrow. Now to discuss the levels and on the chart. So I have the Nifty daily chart open in front of me, and as of now today's candle it's a strong green candle, and it is above 18,660, so that is good to see. So going above, clearly the next resistance will come around 18,780, and if you look at the weekly charts you will know why this level is important, because last time on November 2022, that was the levels markets made a high, and if you want to talk about the ATH in Nifty, it is coming around 18,900 levels. I'm talking about Nifty spot. So do watch out for those levels in Nifty. So let us come back to 15-minute chart so that things are clearer. Yeah, 18,660 is likely to take markets are likely to take support at 18,660 in case there is a fall, and if that is broken on the downside, 15,585 is going to be acting as a support. Not expecting that to be broken tomorrow, and unless and until there is some massive bearish event, or maybe RBI does increase the interest rate or something like that happens, then there could be a fall. Apart from that, upside 18,780, do keep an eye out for that, and then 18,876, that is again 100 points away. So immediate 18,780 is to be watched out, and let's see how markets do around those levels. And again tomorrow expecting kind of a flat opening, or maybe plus minus 10 or 20 points on the either side, because nothing much is happening on the global markets. So that is the situation in Nifty. And coming to Bank Nifty, we are seeing a W-shaped pattern. So when this kind of pattern happens, again it's on a 15-minute chart, so we don't give that much of a priority to this. But apart from that, if today's high is taken out in Bank Nifty, we can expect Bank Nifty to test the all-time high of 44,485 levels. So once that is broken, we can expect a good uptrend in Bank Nifty as well, like Nifty happened today. So definitely watch out for Bank Nifty, and on the downside we have to see 44,151 as a support level. Today markets took support over there, and there were been multiple instances across the last week and the previous week as well when this was taken as a support. So on the downside, immediate support 44,151. Then if that is broken, 44,000 will be acting as support. But next, if you're talking about strong supports, 43,750 is the level to watch out for. So these are the levels to watch out. Definitely today's high is important, and then 44,485, the all-time high in Bank Nifty, that is to be watched out for. So let us see how things happen tomorrow. So I think we have covered most of the things. Tomorrow being an expiry day and also an event day, RBI interest rate decision is coming out around 10 a.m. So if you are like I said, it would be a non-event, but some people, if you want to be extra safe, it is better to take positions after the announcement has been over. It should be over by 10:45, 11 a.m. So you can be safer. And apart from that, if there is no negative news tomorrow, markets are likely to move up slowly and steadily as they have been in the last few days. And yeah, that is all from my side, and hope you have a good expiry tomorrow. We will discuss the other things tomorrow when we have all the data and the expiry as well. So hoping all the best for tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and have a very good night.